Oh yeah, I was in DC. Yeah, I'll be back next week. Well, that's your favorite calabash soup that you always talk about. You always post about it. Edikai. Please now, don't let me bite my tongue. Well, I'm in Nigeria. I've been meaning to actually taste it since I've been here, right? Because you've been boasting about it. Oh, give me 1 second. There's a guy in front of me. I'll call you right back. Hello, mister.
Hello, how are you?
I'm Victor. I'm new here. And there's this one soup I've been meaning to try. I came from DC for a program, and I'm here for about a week. It's called Edikaikong.
Oh, come on, stop now. Don't bite your tongue, okay? I understand you very well. I've heard you. There's no problem about that. You eat your Edikaikong fresh, okay? But before then, I want you to know that I am Faxyman, the Trustster General.
Jesus!
Okay. I will ensure that you get all the feel of the Edikaikong that you want to have, okay? If you are ready for it. Is that okay by you?
Of course, let's go.
Oh, hold on. Sit down now. One step at a time, okay? Definitely, I told you and I rest assured you that you are going to have a feel of this. I will take you to one of the best restaurants here in Lagos, where you can have the best of Edikaikong with correct pounded yam. I tell you this. But before then, you must do something. And that thing is that you have to pay for information fee.
Intro what?
Victor, this is Lagos. There is no free lunch. Okay?
I'm not asking you to pay.
Nevertheless, it's okay. See, let me break it down for you. In real estate, realtors, they call it a special fee. But in hospitality industry, we call it intro information fee. You get it?
You said what? Intro for who?
Guy now. Oh, yeah,
I be the son of the soil though. Maybe because they bomb me abroad. You won't use me do Christmas. I would deal with you if you try me.
It was at this moment that he
So why can't I just play
he
with
fucked
you?
up.
That's how I used to behave. Wow. The guy now. When no. Don't kiss a pardon.
Enough! I want to jackpot.